Due to one of the hosting providers being cut off from WordPress infrastructure, I developed a plugin that lets you download and update plugins from external servers. All you need to do is provide a link to the plugin's zip file. Let me show you how this works using GitHub as an example. We'll install the contact form plugin from a plugin mirror. I've already pasted and saved two links, each on a separate line. And right now, these plugins are not installed. We'll see them appear after we run the process. Now, by clicking Update Plugins, the plugin downloads and installs them directly from the GitHub servers. Once the page refreshes, you will see that the contact form plugin, along with its add-on, have been successfully installed. From here, all that's left is to activate the plugins. You can specify a path to any plugin's zip file on a new line, giving you the flexibility to manage your plugins independently of any single infrastructure. You can even set up your own plugin repository or use links from other sources. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on social media.